Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Airfryer plus Rotisserie, Dehydrator, Convection Oven, 17 touch screen presets fry, roast, dehydrate, bake, XL10L family size, auto shut-off, large easy view window. Versatile countertop cooking, air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, or roast to crispy perfection in one convenient appliance. Cook faster, no need to preheat like traditional ovens. This all-in-one convection oven uses rapid air heating elements to cook fast, even, and crispy food. Healthy cooking made easy. Make healthy meals using 98% less oil than traditional fryers. Simplified setup. Anyone can cook perfect meals in minutes with 17 preset options and an easy-to-use capacitive touch control screen. All-inclusive, includes 3 airflow racks, stainless steel rotisserie oven spit with retrieval tool, and a drip tray. Family-size meals, make meals for the family with the extra-large 10-liter capacity. Also great for meal prepping large quantities of food. Monitor cooking progress, the interior lights and extra-large air fryer oven. Thanks for watching and subscribe.